Hey, welcome to this week's episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be cooking up some garlic bread. Now this is a universal side dish that you can use for pretty much almost anything. Pastas, barbecue, fried chicken, steaks. It's a great additive to your meal, and trust me, your family will love it too. I got to keep my kids away from the bowl because if I have it close to them, they'll continue eating them and they won't eat the rest of their meal. So no further ado, let's get down to this recipe so I can show you how to make it. So we're gonna start off with some butter. You wanna let that butter get to room temperature. You want it soft and nice and creamy. All right, this crazy little concoction here, I basically infused some extra virgin olive oil with some garlic. I roasted up some garlic for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees in the oven. And I went ahead and pureed it and mixed it with the extra virgin olive oil. This right here is gonna take this butter to the top. So you just want to go ahead and give everything a mix. I ended up adding a little bit more of that olive oil. You want that butter to be nice and creamy and smooth. So yeah, just make sure you add just the right amount. You know, you want it a little bit runny. You don't want it too hard, but just perfectly smooth and creamy. Now you want to just season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Season to taste. If you're using unsalted butter, this is perfect. If you're using salted, just keep in mind, season to taste. Now we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Now just go ahead and give everything a mix. Now we're gonna move on to the next part, and we're gonna start off with our bread. To make this super easy, we're gonna just pick up a French bread down from your local store. I picked this up at Walmart for $1. It's made fresh every day, and they're super soft and they're perfect for garlic bread. So what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and cut off the heel of both sides. Of course I'm going to taste it. I got to make sure it's made with good quality. You got to test your food. So now we're just going to be slicing the bread into about 1-inch portions, and you want to just go ahead and cut all the way down until you get down to the end of that other side of the bread. And make sure that you're using a bread knife or a serrated knife. It'll make this a lot easier. Now that we have everything sliced up, let's go ahead and take our slices and put it on a non-stick baking sheet. This is where we're gonna start applying that butter spread all over our slices. Just right on top is where you wanna put it. Give it a good portion of that butter spread because you want that interior of the bread to soak up a lot of that butter. And trust me, once these cook, you're gonna have an exterior crunch, but in that inside of the bread is gonna be just wonderfully soft and full of flavor. Now that our butter spread is on all of our slices, we're going to be topping it with Parmesan cheese. This is going to add another layer of flavor, and trust me, it comes out delicious, and that Parmesan cheese kind of crisps up, and when you bite into it, it's just like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. So once we're done here, basically what we're going to be doing is preheating our oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to cook these for 8 minutes. Now that we have our garlic bread all nicely topped, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our preheated oven for 8 minutes, or until the sides are nice and crispy. Now there is nothing better than a nice crispy garlic bread with a soft interior, and that's what these right here have. My kids love these, like I said before, they can just devour through this whole bread, trust me. Well, that's it for today's cooking tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like I said, this is a must try, and this goes well with almost anything. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that we can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section. I'll get back to you shortly. Oh yeah, I have these 3 other recipes. Why don't you take a look at those? Now y'all be beautiful and take care.